दिखी थी स्कूल बिल्डिंग में मास्क पहन के।
तू कहाँ जाती हो?
वो कहाँ? मम्मा कंप्यूटर में कंप्यूटर।
Hello.
Hello. Good
गुड
afternoon.
मॉर्निंग।
Good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, students. Are you ready?
Yes,
ma'am.
Huh?
Good
Please bring your computer book.
afternoon।
Very good, Adamya. Very good. Today we start the reading of lesson 3, but not I. You. You are reading. Okay?
Lesson 3.
Yes?
Isi kelas apa?
Lesson 3, advanced feature of paint. Clear? All of you ready with your book?
Yes, ma'am।
Okay, good. Good. And start from there. Changing the background color. Okay? Changing the background color. और जिसको मैं बोलूंगी वही रीडिंग करेगा. ओके? First of all, you all are ready? Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, student. Now I unmute you all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, now raise your hand. किसके किसके पास बुक है? Raise your hand. You have book. Good. Good, Ananya. Afternoon. Okay, now I unmute you all. Please keep quiet. Don't talk. Okay. और जिसको मैं अनम्यूट करूंगी वही रीडिंग करेगा. ओके?
रीडिंग करना है, बुक निकालो।
Start. We are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Adamya, I unmute you. Please अपना म्यूट बटन को हटा दीजिए. अनम्यूट करिए अपने आप को. Okay, good. Now start reading. Changing the background color.
Changing the background color
Yes.
of the image. Select a drawing using different selecting options. Use the cut, copy and paste option of paint. Crop, flip, rotate, resize and skew an image.
Yes, continue. Use various options
of view tab to see an image in different ways.
Good. Now down. MS Paint also.
MS Paint also provides some image
editing
features
features
that makes drawing and coloring is and
Easier.
more easier and more
Interesting.
interesting.
Okay, Adamya. Good. Now I mute you. Now Shreyansh. Shreyansh. Unmute. I unmute you. Start changing the background color. Here. Start from here. यहाँ से पढ़ो.
देखो मैम कहाँ से यहाँ से पढ़ो
When you start reading from here.
When you open the paint window by
default. आराम से धीरे धीरे.
the color of the background is right, you can change the color of the background as and when you need to change the background color of your drawing. Follow this step.
आराम
On
से
the
आराम से Shreyansh. Slowly. Read slowly.
First,
Yes.
on the home tab, click color 2. Second,
Select.
select the red color in the color.
Design.
Click third, click the fill with color tool in the tools group. Fourth, bring the mouse pointer into the drawing area and right click. The color of the background changes to the selected color. Selecting
Stop.
a right.
Stop, Shreyansh. Stop. Good, very good. Now I mute you. Okay. Shreya Singh. I unmute you. Start reading, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, start reading.
Yes, ma'am.
Selecting a
Chin.
drawing. Did you see? Selecting a drawing.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, start reading.
Selecting a drawing.
Hmm.
If you want to make some changes in a drawing or only a certain
Certain.
part of the drawing, you first need to select it. For this, you can use the select tool present in the image group on the home tab. The
Good.
select tool provides different options to select your drawing.
Various ways.
Please let us discuss these options.
Okay.
Rectangular selection.
Okay, stop.
Rectangular selection tool
Shreya,
lets you
stop.
select a rectangular
Shreya,
or square shaped
stop.
part of an image.
श्रेया मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है
Yes,
आपको?
yes.
बेटा बस करिए. Stop. I said stop. Now Jia. Start reading, beta. From rectangular selection.
Rectangular selection tool lets you select a rectangular or square shaped part of an image. To use this tool, follow these steps. On the home tab, click the down arrow under the select tool in the image group. A drop down menu
Appears.
click the appears. Click the rectangular selection tool in the menu.
Third.
Click or drag the mouse over the part of image you want to select. Fourth, release the mouse button. You will see a dropped
Box.
box around The select part.
Good. Jia, stop. Now, Ananya Tiwari. Ananya,
Yes, ma'am.
start reading from free form selection. Did you see? Free form selection?
Free for yes, ma'am. Free
Start.
from selection tool lets you select an area of any shapes from an image. To use this tool, follow these
These.
steps.
Hmm.
On the home tab, click the down arrow under the select tool in the image group or drop down
Menu.
menu appears. Click the free from select
Form. Not from. Form.
from
Form.
form selections
Hmm.
tool in the menu. Click and drag the mouse around the
Outer boundary.
outer boundary of the image or part of it you want to select.
Yes.
Release the
Release.
mouse button. You will see a
Dotted.
dotted box around the selected part.
Selected part. Yes, good. Stop. Ananya, stop. Okay, Jayashree. Jayashree, unmute yourself. Jayashree. Yes.
Select all.
Yes, good.
The select all option is used to select the wall image,
Whole.
to select the entire image. Follow these steps.
Number one.
Number one. On the home tab, click the down arrow under the select tool in the image group or drop down menu appear.
Number two.
Click the select all option in the menu. You will see a dotted box at the boundary of the drawing area.
Okay, good. All of you students, look at your books. Don't look here and there. इधर उधर मत देखिए, अपनी बुक में देखिए. Okay? Just read.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good, Jayashree. Ankit. Unmute yourself. Yes. Ankit. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now read delete.
Yes,
Delete.
the delete option is used to delete the
Selected
part of the image. To use this option, follow these steps. Select the part of this image that you want to delete.
Want.
Memory to large selection for freeform selection tool.
Selection.
On the Home tab, click the down arrow under the Flex tool. In the image group, a drop. On the Home tab, click the down arrow under the Flex tool. In the image group, a drop down menu
Appears.
appears. Click the delete option in the menu. The next part of
Selected.
the image is
Deleted.
name हो गया.
Okay, done. Hariom. Yes. Jagriti. Who is this? Hariom Pandey, who is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start reading from transparent selection.
The transparent selection option is used to make the selection
Transparent.
transparent so that no background color is selected to understand the use
Of
of this option. Follow this step. One, select number one. Select any part of the image used. The rectangular selection or freeform selection tool. Second, drag the selection part to an area with the differently colored background. You will see that the background color of the
selected.
select area is also included in the selection. Now to see the effect of
Transparent.
selection option. Click the down arrow under the select tool and click transparent selection option in the drop down menu. You will notice a
Check.
mark beside the option. Number 4. Now you will see that the background color is not a part of the selection.
Very good. Good job. Now next is Aradhya Singh. Aradhya Singh. Aradhya Singh. Voice जा रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now start reading from using cut, copy and paste options.
The cut, copy and paste are
Extremely
useful option in Paint. The cut option removes the select part of an image for its
original
location. The copy option create a copy of the select part but does not remove it from the
Its
original
location.
location. The past
Paste.
paste
Option
option always
allows
allows you to
insert
the cut or copy part anywhere in a same image or another image. The cut and paste option are together used to move the selected part with the copy and while the copy and paste options are together used to copy and select part. You to use the cut, copy and paste
options.
Option for this step.
Follow.
Follow this step. First, select the part of the image that you want to cut or copy. Using the rectangular selection for free for selection tool. Second, on the home tab, click cut or copy in the clip.
Yes. Clipboard.
In clipboard group, if you have used to cut option, the select part
disappears
for the image. Click press in the clipboard group in the cut or copy that
part
on the top appears on the top left
corner
of the drawing area. Click the drag the past part of the pasted part of the
desired position.
The cut or the copy image can be pasted as many times as
you want. Okay, good.
You want.
Good. Who is this? Yes. Start reading. Undo and redo option. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Start reading. Who is this? Unmute. Yeah. Divyansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start reading from undo and redo options. बेटा आपका name नहीं show कर रहा है. Okay.
हेलो मैम. मेरी आवाज सुन रही हैं?
हाँ मैम आवाज आ रही है.
मैम क्या मतलब हम लोग की आवाज आ रही है आपकी साइड में?
हाँ आ रही है.
तो कहाँ से रीडिंग करना है मैम?
हाँ बता रहे हैं. Undo and redo options. Undo and redo options. Look at here. Divyansh. Undo and redo. Did you see? दिखाई दिया आपको?
Yes ma'am. दिखाई दिया.
Okay.
Undo and redo are two of the most useful operations in
Paint.
Paint. If you make a mistake, you can use the undo option to
Cancel
the last last change done to see the use of undo operations for
Follow
these steps.
steps. Yes. Number 1.
Collect and with the text. This is a calculate in
No. Call out. Call out.
call out inside it.
Number 2.
Click the undo button on the
Quick
quick
access
access
toolbar.
toolbar. The text inside the calculate
Call out
call out
disappears.
this appears.
Redo
Redo is the
opposite.
opposite of undo. The redo option brings back the last change
Caused
by undo to
reapply
reapply the last change that is to get the text back. Click the redo button on the quick
access
toolbar. The text
reappears.
reappears.
Okay, good. दिव्यांश, good. अपने घर पे रीडिंग किया करिए.
Thank you,
Okay. Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is, who is this? Aradhya. No. Anshika, who is this? Your picture is not clear. Yeah. Anshika, unmute yourself. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading from cropping an image.
Ma'am, I don't have book.
Cropping.
Ma'am, I do not have book.
Okay, Anshika, don't worry. Okay. Okay, no worry. Okay. Then Abha, your picture is not clear. Abha, unmute yourself. Abha, my voice is clear. Okay, now start reading from cropping an image. Cropping an image. Did you see? दिखाई दे रहा है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading. The crop.
The crop
Option.
open is used to option is used to crop a picture so that on the left
Selected
in
part appears
in
picture.
In
crop
crop and image follow
These steps.
number 1.
Yes. Select.
Number 1. Select the part
of the.
Select the. Ma'am, number 1 who?
You read.
Select the part
of the image you want to show. Use the want
Rectangular.
to show using the rectangle, selecting for free from selecting tool.
Selection
Number 2, on selection tool. Number 2, on the home tab, click crop in the image group only the text part become
visible.
visible.
Okay. Abha.
And try in tab.
Okay. आभा म्यूट योरसेल्फ, अपने आप को म्यूट करिए। आभा, yes, move, yes, good. Now Raj Singh, राज, आपकी ना वॉइस भी नहीं आ रही और आपकी पिक्चर भी क्लियर नहीं है। आदर्श चौहान, आदर्श चौहान, did you listen to me? Unmute yourself. आदर्श, आदर्श चौहान, मेरी वॉइस आ रही है? Why you mute? Unmute yourself. Raj Singh, your voice is not clear. Shaurya, unmute yourself. शौर्य, आवाज आ रही है? शौर्य, हेलो, आवाज नहीं आ रही है? ओके, लीव, एक्सेप्टेड। अनन्या तिवारी, Ananya, unmute yourself. Okay. Start reading from flipping, rotating an image. Ananya Tiwari, unmute yourself. Ananya Tiwari, unmute yourself. Yes, good. Start reading from flipping an image.
मैम हो गया।
Yes.
मैम कहाँ से?
Flipping and rotating and.
Yes मैम।
Start. जल्दी करिए, टाइम नहीं है. Your time is over. Hurry up.
Lest you think or rotating an image or select parts of it, you can fill an image
Horizontally
or
vertically.
Vertically. The
If horizontal
option gives the
mirror.
image of the selected parts of vertically. Option throws the two one select the parts of the image or the image that you want to flip on the Home tab. Click rotate
Yes, click. Rotate.
in the image group. The
Or drop down.
group or drop down menu appears.
Okay, stop. Stop and unmute yourself. Mute करिए अपने आप को. आराध्या. आराध्या. बेटा म्यूट अनम्यूट करिए अपने आप को. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ आराध्या.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading.
The resize option is used to make an image longer or shorter in
Yes. Yes, yes. Again start.
The resize option. The size option is used to make an image longer or shorter in
Horizontal.
and vertical direction. You can also send an image using the skew option. Skewing allows you to change the angle of the image in horizontal or vertical direction. To resize an image, follow this step. Select the image you want to resize. On the Home tab, click Resize in the image group. The Resize and Skew dialog box appears. In the Resize section, type the
percentage. Yes. Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Start. Percentage by which you want to
Resize the selected image in the horizontal, or want to resize the select image in the horizontal or vertical text box. The value in the other box is automatically changed. Click OK. The image is resized by the
okay class.
percentage you type.
Okay Aradhya, good, very good. And class, one thing more, आप लोग घर पे रीडिंग की प्रैक्टिस करिए, ठीक है. इट इज गुड कि जो बहुत अच्छे से रीडिंग कर ले रहा है और जिसकी नहीं है, कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग एंड लर्न लेसन 1. गिव वन एग्जांपल. मैंने आपको कॉपी में लिखवाया है ना. गिव वन एग्जांपल फ्रॉम लेसन 1. कॉपी में आपने लिखा भी है. गिव वन एग्जांपल. लुक एट दिस. डिड यू लुक? दिखाई दे रहा है? डिड यू सी? Give one example of each of the following. ये आपने कॉपी में भी लिखा है, right? All of you learn it for the class test next Monday. Next Thursday. Okay. Okay. Now all of you. Bye. Okay.